Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how we use MPT UID software to scan the data on Facebook. First is the group scanning features. We could scan the list of the group ID. You could scan by keyword or scan by profile. It means we will scan the groups that any Facebook account on Facebook have joined. So if you want to scan by keyword, just enter the keyword here and we could select the account to scan, press save and scan per keyword how many groups you could set here. And we have some filter. Here's only scan groups with more than a certain number of how many members. So we press start to begin scan the group ID. You could see the process here and the list of the group that follow the keyword we enter will appear on the table in the middle. So you finished scanning, we just click on export data to export an Excel file to save. And after that, we could use scan group member. These features allow you to scrap the list of the Facebook UID that will be the member of the groups. And you could use those list of UID to add friend with them or do some like marketing campaign. But first, we have to select the account to scan and we import the group here. It means the UID of the group that you want to scan. For example, I could copy one UID and paste here. Press save. You could tick on only scan new members and maximum per scan how many members you could set here and you press start to begin scan the group member of that group that we imported. You can see the process will appear here. Total scanned how many 20s like this. The member will appear here with the UID of the member and the name and the gender and the time that they join the groups and the personal link of their Facebook account. That's how we use the scan group ID to scan the list of the group and scan the group member to have a list of Facebook UID of our potential customer. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you in our next video. Goodbye.